do laces, buckles, or slip-on really make a difference? Yeah, the fastening does make a difference. Why am I wearing these gloves? That's a great question. So here it is. See this? I'm a doctor. Now, I do work as a podiatrist with a scalpel. Now, what do you want me cutting with? You want me cutting with this glove that moves with my hand perfectly, or this one where I'm a little less clumsy and I'm probably not going to use that scalpel quite as accurately as I would with this one. And that's what I want to talk to you about. When you're choosing a school shoe, your child's shoe should actually fit them like a glove. And so laces will always be a better option for your child. Now, you can always choose a buckle, and that goes across or Velcro. Now, I would say to you that if I was looking at my preferences, laces, Velcro, buckles, and then slip-ons down the bottom. The better the fit for your child, the happier they are. The happier they are, the more likely they are to actually do super well at school. Did you know there's actual studies that say that the more comfortable your kids' school shoes are, the happier they are in class and the better grades they get? That's one of the things that you need to look for or think about when you're choosing your kids' school shoes. There are actually a stack of other things. Luckily, we've got a video on many of those things as well. So the series that we've got has choosing the right shoe, or does cost really matter, or what are the 5 features that you as a parent should take with you to that shoe store to make sure you get the perfect shoe for your child. They are in the next series of videos. I hope you'll join me there. See you soon. We're going to talk about the 5 features that every parent should know before buying their kids' school shoes. There's another video that you might want to check out as well, which is all about how to choose the right shoe size. Great videos, huh? Look, I hope that helped. Yes, price does make a difference with most shoes, but if you can find great features at a smaller price, then great. That's good news too. See you in the next video.